Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Luvme Hair. They sent me over this 10-inch invisible lace 4x4 closure. Yes, this is the type of wigs I like to wear on the daily basis. I will wear a bob every single day, but this one is just so cute. It's so classy. It's so sleek. She's not giving stiff. Okay, it's giving body. Yes. Anyway, I love this wig so much. Make sure you guys check out Luvme Hair. They have all the gems, quality wigs around the board. I will have all the information in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. Thank you so much for coming on my channel, and let's get into this video. Yo, we got a bob. So inside your box, it will look like this. You get your little wig bag, tissue, a bonnet, wig cap, little brochure with all the hair care, QR codes, social media, all that good stuff. And then of course your little pouch. Inside the pouch, you get a baby hair brush and a edge wrap. Yay! All right, so here is the bob, you guys. So this is a 10-inch undetectable lace 4x4 closure, okay? And the knots are pre-bleached knots, which is always, I love that. But yes, it is 10 inches. It's giving sleek already, straight out the box, you guys. It is a 4x4 closure, so I'm excited about that. We have 4 combs on the inside, adjustable band, and adjustable straps as well. So, wig construction is looking beautiful. Okay, so this one's gonna be really easy and quick. Actually, I'm not gonna put any foundation or anything on this today. I am gonna try to do this glueless. Just throw in like a couple baby hairs. The wig does feel really, really soft. Really soft. I'm excited. I love a good bob. So let me go ahead and take my sweater off and let's get into it. All right, you guys, I'm done styling this hair. This wig takes no time. Sorry. This wig takes no time. It was so freaking easy. It's beginner friendly. This wig probably took me maybe 20 minutes only because I wanted to do my baby hairs. I just put a couple baby hairs in here and I just bumped it real quick. Like all I did was probably like 4 times on this side, 4 times on this side, a little bit in the back, and that was literally it. This wig was so freaking easy. 4x4 closures are it, especially if you're not used to applying your own wigs. definitely get a 4x4 or 5x5 closure. It is so minimal, low maintenance, it's easy, okay? But this hair, let's just talk about the hair. The hair is just, it's just giving so sleek. This wig is so sleek. It looks so nice and professional. I love how it barely touches my shoulders. Like, I love this length. This is a 10-inch invisible lace 4x4 closure, and I freaking love it. Let me show you guys the back real quick. I freaking love this wig. If you need an everyday wig, something you could wear to work, you can also, this will be super cute if you go out with your girlfriends, go out at night, but it's just definitely, it's just giving class and sex appeal. Anyway, I love this wig. I'm gonna be wearing this wig to work. I'm gonna wear this wig to work for a week or so, cause I don't gotta put her in a ponytail, okay? But yes, so make sure you guys check out Luvme Hair. They have quality wigs. I love working with them. I will have all their information in the description box below. Leave a comment and tell me what you guys think about this bob, because the bob is giving. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.